What do you guys think of Joshua Tree? Tony? Amazing?
Yeah, fantastic place to visit.
It's different than the UK.
Yeah, oh yeah. Warmer, drier.
Less bars.
Yeah.
Less pubs.
Less
should we
pubs.
say.
Yeah, for sure.
About 50 to 100 of them in a row.
Oh, this side.
And they came out like that. I see all that. Just happened. I've seen it twice.
Why in your life?
Yeah.
Right now.
Hello, this is Zarin Leff at Hidden Valley Picnic Area. A view through the electronic eyepiece seen here through my phone, and that's what we're looking at currently, M22, the Sagittarius cluster. So you can also connect your phone like mine here, which is controlling the telescope, by downloading the Unistellar app and then see what the telescope is showing on your own phone, save the images, and see things like the Eagle Nebula, the Swan Nebula, which is one of Tony's favorites.
Good.
And
you
then
guys did
finally we see double star.
it. So we made your 2-hour drive worthwhile.
Always one, definitely.
Wow. When you see the dumbbell here in 2 seconds.
It's moving. Moving.
It's headed to the Dumbbell Nebula.
Heading to the dumbbell.
This one's a big one.
Okay. Told them, we got 4 kids.
What?
They're all sat in the car. I told them to get out here.
Looking at the galaxies, but no, instead
We're
they're
living
watching.
in a galaxy.
Yeah,
Galaxy far, far away.
Galaxy far, far away for the umpteenth time.
Sat in the car watching it instead of looking at it through the telescope.
Oh.
Yeah, over here. Galaxy far, far away, Sam.
This is actually,
Look,
you'll
careful.
see Darth Vader in this.
Careful where you walk. Look, yeah, galaxy. Look at this photo. That is a nebula. No, it's on a new nebula. That's a nebula. That's the
And you
Swan
can,
Nebula.
once the focus, you'll see it.
And we're about to do the Dumbbell Nebula in here, which is
It finds
dust
them automatically.
right out in space.
How much did this cost?
A lot.
Quite a lot.
A lot.
Whoa, it just captured a shooting star
In it?
in the, I got a photo of it
Did you really?
with the, look at this, the shooting star in
This
the,
never happened to you guys.
in the frame there. That line.
That line's a shooting star.
Yes.
Wow.
I like to emphasize how little we know about the universe, and astronomers are imprecise at best in their estimates to things like the distance to the stars.
Yeah, but each of those stars may be as large as Earth or something like that. So
Yes.
it's beyond my imagination.
Yeah, good.
Exactly.
Good. That's what.
Yes.
Believing, right?
Yes.
Thank you guys. You're welcome.
Really impressive. Really.
Safe travel.
Good evening to you.
Bye.
Yes. It's fun doing astronomy outreach.
Yes.
This is the modern version of John Dobson's Sidewalk Astronomy, which he used to do with the Dobsonian style telescope, this one. And he thinks he showed the moon to 1 million people.
And I tell you, if they
in
saw
his
the
life.
moon tonight in that thing,
It's true. It's best for the moon,
it's
but there's no moon
no
tonight.
moon tonight.
So this is the modern version of Sidewalk Astronomy outreach. It is not super successful to capture the view of the planets through this telescope eyepiece. You'll just have to come see that for yourself. And the view of the planets and the moon. Ooh, oh,
Little fight going on there.
yeah, a little fight. I missed videoing it. Seems like I always miss the best parts, and then you have so much data. Like, what am I supposed to do with all these data? You have to go back through it, and it takes a long time.
Maybe it's that guy there that pointed that out.
What thing?
Oh, the train. You wouldn't even notice
Oh.
the train if you didn't say anything.
Yeah.
And he only said something because we were talking about it.
It's good to have multiple eyes.
Yeah.
Wonder how many eyes a mantis has. How many eyes do you have? Whoa.